In this video, you'll learn how to change the size of a button in Webflow. By following these steps, you will effectively customize the dimensions of your button to fit your design needs. Start by navigating to Webflow and opening your project. Ensure you are on the correct site by checking the site name in the upper left corner of the interface. If you are prompted to sign in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you are in your project, locate the button you wish to modify, click directly on the button to select it. A blue outline should appear around the button, indicating that it is selected. Next, look for the settings panel on the right side of the screen. You will see various options related to the button's properties. Click on the section labeled Size to proceed with changing the button dimensions. After clicking on Size, you will notice options for both width and height. Click on the width field first. This field allows you to specify the desired width for your button. Type in the size you want for the width. You can use any unit of measurement, such as pixels or percentages. After entering the width, press the Enter key or click outside the input box to apply the changes. Now move on to the height adjustment. Click on the height field located right beneath the width setting. This allows you to set how tall you want your button to be. Input the desired height field similar to the width. You can specify the height in pixels or other units. After entering the value again, press Enter or click outside the box to confirm the change. Once you have adjusted both the width and height, make sure to preview your changes. Click on the preview button at the top of the page to see how the button looks within the overall design. If necessary, you can return to adjust the sizes further until you achieve the desired appearance. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.